Hi, my name is Amir Hashmi. I'm Chief Marketing and Sales Officer with Koemmerling India, which is a German brand. And today we are at ZAK 2025 in Mumbai, and we are displaying a variety of products under the Koemmerling brand. Here, I'll be briefing you about the Koemmerling uPVC range of systems which we are displaying. We'll start with one of our premium series, that is SF2 sliding door. You can see we are showing the system in black smooth, though we have white as well as various lamination shades in our systems. That is like wood finishes, 4 wood finishes we have. One is gray and another is black. We have used a D handle in this. You can see the smooth movement of this system with 24 glass. And one of the features of this system is that we have designed the system with 2.5 kPa wind load capacity. Another special feature is that it is a low threshold, which gives you a barrier free movement across. The smooth movement is there with such a height and weight of the glass. You can see the mechanism which we have used. It is coming with a multi-point locking system, and it is a very sturdy system which we are displaying here. This is in a locked position, and once we pull this lever down, this is open and you can slide it smoothly. So this is how we operate it. If we talk about the brief technical details of the system, the frame width of this system is 78 mm and the sash height is 90 mm. This system also comes with fly mesh facility, which which is a customer's requirement. If they want, they can have it with fly mesh as well. So one of the premium series and very much acceptable in the market. And this is how we are placed with quality systems with Koemmerling uPVC in India.